Today on our birthday list is John Hadley, Hadley John. She's 2, as evident by the wonderful banner behind her. What a great looking picture right there. Miss Hadley, you have a great day in Thayer. Maybe Hadley will take me to Big Ed.
Maybe so. Gunner Northcutt. Oh, little cowboy there in Mapleton, Kansas. Happy birthday from Mom, Dad, and Lane. Gunner is now 3 years old.
Good looking hat there, Gunner. I like that. Braden Smithson, he kicks off a long list of birthdays in Pittsburgh. Braden, cool looking mask, my man. He's the big number 4.
If he's 4, that means his sister Aubrey is turning 2 years old. Ha, what a cutie there. Aubrey celebrating in Pittsburgh as well.
Nicholas Smith Jr., he is celebrating his 6th birthday. Nicholas, I want you to have a marvelous day, kiddo. He's in the Berg as well.
All right. In Walnut, Kansas, Marshall Kraft, turning 6 years old. Ooh, what a catch there.
Here's the thing, he ain't even cheating that by holding it forward. He's just trying to hold the darn thing.
Big one there. Love Mommy and Daddy.
Great catch there, Marshall. I'm jealous now. Tessa J, happy 7th birthday, smiling as can be. Tessa, she's celebrating in Chanute.
All right, Addison Avery celebrating birthday number 8 this year in Girard. Happy birthday, Addison.
On to the double digits because Joseph Powell, he is now celebrating his 10th birthday. Got a wrestler on our hands right there, medal and all. A happy 10th to Joseph in Girard.
All right, Leighton Johnson celebrating birthday number 12.
Oh, nice.
Leighton is in Fort Scott.
Nice one, Leighton. Brandon Bishop celebrating a 15th birthday. Brandon, have a marvelous day and a great birthday.
All right, and Vi Tupa turning 61 this year in Jasper, Missouri. Happy birthday, Vi.
Ms. Vi, long time no see. Happy birthday. Know her from a previous work life. Ron Craig, a happy 66th birthday. Mr. Craig, he is in Carl Junction.
Felly Sachs celebrating birthday number 73 this year in Joplin.
That's a cool picture right there. I like that. Dale Gauthier, little turn back the clock action. Love that.
High socks and short shorts.
First baseman Hart right there. Dale, he's celebrating in Fort Scott. Look at that glove. That glove is bigger than his head, isn't it? That's great.
Oh, big hat too. Love it. That was a cute picture. Oh, great. And our list goes on with Jesse Kinzer. Got your arms full there. Jesse is in Carthage. Belated birthday wish from last Friday.
Dorothy Wall, a happy birthday to you in Columbus. Dorothy No, she's celebrating a birthday. That Dorothy's in Farmington. And Denise Richard, a happy 44th birthday. Miss Denise, celebrating in Arma.
Dalton Schoonover celebrating birthday number 29 this year in Rogers, Arkansas. And
Mona Brumbaugh.
yeah.
Love you, Mona. That's another long time no see. Now, for those of you that don't know, Dalton happens to be Mona's son. And so we wanted to catch up on both of those. And Mona, a very happy birthday. Hope I'll run into you here sometime soon. She is in Weir. Happy birthday, happy anniversary to all. Over to Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Let's celebrate.